Hello guys! In this video, you'll learn how to make money online in the year 2024. If you're a beginner and never experienced trading on the stock market, then this video is perfect for you because here and now you'll get a step-by-step tutorial on working on the stock market. You'll learn how to top up deposit, how to open deals, and I'll show you the strategy thanks to which even you as a beginner can earn. So let's get started. As soon as we enter the market where we're going to trade in currency, we need to top up deposit. To top up balance on these options, we need to click finance. Then we choose deposit. We can top up balance with any convenient payment method, e-wallet, cryptocurrency, etc. What's best for me is cryptocurrency USDT TRC20. Let's choose it. Then we fill in the sum we want to top up with. I'll choose $200. And by the way, if you have a promo code, then you can get extra 50% to deposit. Click I have a promo code button. By the way, the promo code is in my Telegram channel, the link is in the description, and of course there you can find the stock market where I am trading. So be sure to use it to get a pleasant bonus. I fill in the promo code and as I topped up with $200, I'll get $300, so $100 extra, which is always pleasant, and thanks to this promo code, we'll have more money to increase deposit. Then we click Pay. The payment proceeding pretty simple. We can copy the address where we want to get $200 or to scan a QR code. Don't forget to send funds through the required network. For example, right now it's USDT TRC20 for us. Please send your assets through the Twitter network. Only this way you'll get your funds guaranteed. Okay, let me do that. Okay guys, great, 10 minutes left and we received funds on balance. We have $300 and this is the sums that we're trading with. I'll show you one simple strategy that every beginner can handle. Be sure to watch this video attentively and miss nothing. But before that, let's figure out the interface. To choose a currency pair, we go to higher left. There is a huge list of different pairs which we can trade on. We can choose just any pair. By the way, these percentage values are percentage of payout. So for example, if we bet on one pair and our deal is successful, then we get $92. The lower we scroll, the less is the percentage payout for a successful deal. Besides classic assets, there are also crypto assets, stocks, and assets, and so on. So we can trade with any assets you like. Let's choose, ordinary assets for now as an example, and we'll figure out the interface. On this page, we need to choose the chart type. There are 4 types of candles. So it's lines, ordinary lines, candles, bars, and Heiken Ashi. Each candle suits its own different strategies, but most of all, everyone uses candles where we can choose the time of a candle. For example, if we set as 10 or 10 seconds, one candle lasts for 10 seconds. Most of all, traders use 1-minute candles to trade. Then there's a very important tool, indicators, which we're using today in our strategy. Indicators are assistive tools which help us to develop the strategy. On this market, all the popular indicators are available, and there's also a drawing function, so we can draw particular lines that help us open deals. We can draw the lines, there is also a rectangle and many other tools that you don't need to know yet. What matters the most is in interface is the right side. There's an expiration time or the time that the deal lasts for. Right now I have 1 minute set. We can choose 30 seconds deals, 3 minute, 5 minutes ones, or 1 minute ones, and so on. Mostly people use 30 seconds deals or 1 minute deals. As for the second parameter, we have the sum of the deal. We can choose $50 per one deal, for example, so we bet $50. And of course, the higher the lower and lower buttons. If we open a deal with higher, then it means we bet the price will go higher, and lower, then lower accordingly. So if we open this higher, I think everything is much more clear for you, how the market works, what's and where is working, and we're ready to start trading and earning money on this simple strategy. Let's get started. Guys, for our strategy, we need only one indicator. We enter indicator's parameter and choose moving average. We apply it twice as we need 2 of these indicators, and let's manage them now. We open the first indicators panel and set 11 as a period. The type of moving average is EMA. Styles remains the same and we click Save. As for the second moving average, period is 58 and moving average is also EMA. We choose red color in styles, click Save. As you can see, lines appeared on the chart. Thanks to these lines and indicators, we're going to look for divergences and make decision to enter the deal. Let me explain you how it works. As we see in the first example, there is an intersection, red line intersects the green one from bottom to top. As we see, after that, the chart was heating up, and such cases are the ones we're looking for. It's extremely important for us that the chart is not in a flat, as when the chart's in a flat, there is a huge number of intersections on it, just like here, for example. And there is no signal to enter a deal, guys, so we do not trade here. What matters the most is to find the trend movements, either up or down, clear movements. Only on such charts we can earn. For example, right now the chart is upward and we could earn on this movement. What matters as well, we go to inputs of our candles and choose a time for 30 seconds. So one candle is being drawn for 30 seconds. And the expiration time is 2 minutes. And why we've chosen such a range? Well, we've found that as indicator was not an instant one, and to enter the deal successfully for sure, we've chosen the expiration time twice bigger than the time of the candle. Then there were, for example, one intersection, and we opened the deal on this candle. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and here we've been closed, so 4 candles is the time of the deal. Everything would work the same if we open the deal right here, where the green lines intersecting the red one from top to bottom. And we've been opened here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles are here. So we've been successfully closed on a profit. It's easier to analyze and see like that. There is a time reserve, so the expiration time is 2 minutes. I hope it's clear. Let's move to practice and open a deal. Guys, I opened a deal with lower, though I hurried up a little as there is no intersection here yet. But I hope it's fun, as this next candle is supposed to be followed by intersections formation. So guys, before opening a deal, please wait for a candle to be closed. And if it's closed in the right side, only then you can fixate an intersection. So please be careful. Okay, there is an intersection formed just now. And before we had a downtrend, it was followed by upward movement, and now we expect a downtrend again. As we see, the general trend is upward, so retracement and decrease are pretty much possible. And we successfully closed the deal in a profit! Great, the signal worked out perfectly. Let's go on. We opened a deal with higher, there was a clear downtrend here, and intersection is also here, but the price is in some kind of flat. Okay. I hope it won't stop us from breaking through and then going up. We have 2 minutes and we're already got the signal, so we're trading from our signal. The fall was proceeding for a long time, and obviously we cannot avoid growth after such a fall. Awesome, we've got a profit, even though there was such a big red candle, but everything was pretty simple. We've got a signal, it worked out, and there were a lot of green candles, and we analyzed everything correctly. Let's go on. There is an intersection, we open a deal with lower. There were 2 great red candles which formed the intersection, and trends changed. So we opened a deal with lower, and before we had a small uptrend. Okay, small growth as well, and now a retracement, a proceeding for sure. There are some doubts that we're already getting almost in touch with support level, from which the price can roll back mostly, as there is a confirmation here, here, and here. So there are reversal points, and the price can potentially not reach it a little or go beyond it and roll back up. But I hope it will reach our level in 1 minute safely. Or go get traded somewhere in these ranges. It doesn't matter for us what's going to happen with this price and charts. Further, we only need our deal to be closed. We enter. Brilliant! Our deals closed in a profit, and literally in 3 deals, we managed to reach $435 on balance. All these 3 deals were profitable, and the strategy worked out perfectly. If you want to get more interesting strategies, information about trading, then subscribe to my channel and follow the link to my Telegram channel as well. See you in my next video. Bye!